Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a very clean 2013 Chevy Avalanche LT 4-wheel drive, stock number Z7162A. 55,000 miles on this, one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Avalanche brand new, black in color. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear audio controls. The Avalanche is very unique in that when both rear seats are folded flat, the mid-gate wall will also fold flat, turning a 5-foot box into an 8-foot box. Rear defrost in the removable window. Lockable storage on both sides of the truck. Z71 off-road suspension package. Includes skid plates for protection, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, heavy-duty trailering package, 3-piece hard tonneau cover, and as I said, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated front seats, power seats, power moonroof, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, easy to read gauges, just turned 55,000 miles, temperature and compass display in the dash, tilt wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and power adjustable pedals, perfect for shorter drivers. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. That's where that backup camera display is. And power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Avalanche has a 5.3 liter V8. 320 horsepower. Very clean under the hood, as you can see. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, 21 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7162A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.